Yes.
and this one. There are also 4
Yeah,
outside the
other
location. This
side.
one. Also, you should drop down. No, lift. Make it lower. This one should be lower. To keep this up mode, press more lower.
Down.
Press down.
Yes.
Because this one just the protection. That's the protection. Because sometimes if the sensor got a problem, not
yes,
working,
Not working.
this one will be pressed
Yes.
continuously. It's not good. So you just adjust this one. This screw will be, will be hold it,
hold
will be
it.
support this part.
Yes. This is the working of this.
The working of this.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
打点好了，这么录。
No. Okay.
找根手套。开走了。来吧。你看什么？
地直接地上引的，对，地上地的引。
Okay. The parameter setting. Normally, actually speaking, you have to how to say, while you test your block machine, you will make just like what I told you. At the same time, you production,
Yes.
you will check your machine which one is should be is necessary for you to do any adjustment. But the first time, if the blocks is work very well, no need to adjust.
Yes. Okay.
But this one from kitchen choice, you touch it. This one, the screen is touchable. So you normally you will the pressure setting is already fixed.
Okay. Standard.
Standard. Normally, it's no need for you to do any adjustment.
Okay.
So it's only the parameter setting. 吊车前进延时启动时间。This one, the number 1, delay vibration when the bogie advance. That means what's the meaning? That means 吊车前进。Okay, it's not easy to explain. That means
no, it's not the vibration time.
The vibration starting time delayed after the material cut go forward. You understand?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's very hard to explain, but so this one is also no need for you to exchange. The maximum times for you to exchange is this one, number 2.
Yes.
It's the vibration time at the feeding.
Yes. How long is gonna vibrate?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So maybe sometimes if you check the blocks, the blocks is not easy. The block isn't easy to be removed out from the mode. That means the vibration time is too long. That means that your block is very, very, very strong. But if your block is produced very, very strong, it's not easy for the blocks is removed out from the mode box.
Because
the-
the pressure is
It's
too
too much.
Too
The
much.
pressure is too much.
Yes.
So that means times the how to say the hydraulic cylinder press down the blocks. The motor box at the same time the motor box will be lift up. It's not easy. So that means the block is clicked.
Yes.
It's blocked. It's
gripped
clicked
in the yes.
yeah, clamping the onto the motor box. So that means you have to decrease the time. But how much the times you have to decrease? It depending on your own eyes. Maybe the times you watch your machine. Oh, you see, not too much. Maybe you change little. That's the 1 second by 1 second, little
Seconds.
change.
Yes.
1 second or 0.5 second, half second
Yes.
or 1 second to change. Continuous one by one. Not a 3 second change. No. That's
Yeah, I
the-
understand.
Yeah.
And what is the normally time, the standard time what you normally use?
Like this capstone, maybe 2 seconds is okay.
Is okay. Okay.
But for the hollow blocks, maybe 3 seconds.
3 seconds. Yes.
3
Okay.
seconds.
And what is the maximum what you can put?
Oh, maximum.
3, 4, 5 seconds?
No,
No need.
no need.
Okay.
I think 3 should be the maximum.
Okay.
3
Okay.
seconds.
Yes, I understand. I'm just asking because I want to know if one day I want to put or somebody put it too much,
Yeah.
then I know yes that is not good. Yes.
You know why when you need to make the vibration time to be long, it's that means if your material is your concrete material, it's not easy to follow down into the mold. That means you have to enlarge the vibration
The
time
vibration time.
because the vibration time is more long. That means you will keep your material to be follow inside
Too
the mold
long.
box.
Yes. Okay.
Like your 4 inches block. Your 4 inches blocks, I think you need to enlarge the vibration time to be maybe 3 seconds. 3
Okay.
seconds is enough. Because
Okay.
I didn't see your material, your stand, your
Yeah.
stand.
The same. Yes.
But
Yes.
3 seconds you can check here.
Okay.
这个说能调，你点下。
这个点完了。You can change from the 2 seconds to be, if you plan to set a 3, enter.
Okay.
Now you change it to be 3.
3:00. Okay.
And if you plan to change the 3 seconds to be back to 2, and enter. So now you change the 2.
Okay. Okay. 250 is just 2.5 null.
No, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Null 0.
Yeah. But I think all of the parameters is not necessary for it to change. And this one is back the round trip feeding frequency times. Is this one is we are equipped together with how to say with the vibration time. That means if you check the vibration time cannot resolve the blocks material feeding, you can enlarge the times of the round keep. That means the material cut go front.
Wait a little bit. And
Wait,
then
yeah, you are right. Wait a little bit and go back to carry material and go front again. So you need 2 times.
yes.
So now you can change 2 times. See?
Okay. Yes. This one, it's I'm gonna try it when it's moving, you know.
When it's
you
moving.
put one time and you see how it's working, and then you put the other time and then you can see how it's.
Yeah, just like in the morning we tested the cupstone. If you see the material, because the cupstone need a lot of the material, so maybe one time the cutting material is not enough, so you have to put 2 times
2 times.
to carry the 2 times the material to the mold box.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
all. 这些都没有了。 And also the running times of a raw material belt. That means your machine, the short belt.
Yeah.
This one, the running times of raw material belt. This one, no. Normally it will take 几秒 9. 5、6秒。This one is running time of the raw material belt. Normally, I think 6 seconds is enough. Can be load the material into the material card to be full. You can check
Okay.
it.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
you can check
How
it.
long is
How long
need?
it? If you set a running time running time of the raw material belt is 7, maybe is full, is beyond of the material card. You will cut down to be 6 seconds,
Okay.
or maybe cut to be 5 seconds.
5 seconds.
You check
yes.
it by yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That means how much materials is gonna enter inside.
Enter the
Yes.
material card.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Remaining material, I don't think is no need. And all of this is a standard. Normally it's standard.
Standard. Okay.
It's standard. So when you, I think you should run switch on your block machine and use the menu. This one is menu, right? The menu version to test your block machine. You check it
Okay.
whether it's good or not. If not good, you can record a video and send to us.
Okay.
We will ask our technician to give you the feedback on how to
how
to set it.
Okay.
But maybe at the beginning, if your setting is correct 100%, that's good.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I think the remaining parameters is almost
Standard.
standard.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. When it's need to change, then I'm gonna try. If I can't, and then I make a video. I let you see.
Yeah. But I think this one is enough.
Okay.
This one enough.
Okay.
Mm.
By trying, you use the manual. When you finish trying, everything is okay.
You will
put
turn
it
to automatic.
automatically.
Automatic. The block machine will be working automatically.
Okay. You just need to feed
pallet.
from the mixer and the pallet.
A pallet, that's
Okay.
all. And with the 2 trolley carry out the block. That's the menu. But even the processing of the block machine is automatic.
Automatically. Okay.
There you go.
Oh. Maybe. For the meter of the pressure, we fixed already. You remember, don't do any other adjustment of this one. Even this one.
Okay.
Because we fixed already. This one is
Okay.
important.
Okay.
And also, this one. Yeah, this.
Oui.
And also this. This and this. Ask your workers, leave them
Don't
alone.
touch it, yes.
Don't touch it. Yes, you're right. Don't touch it. Because
Okay.
this one is control the whole machine pressure.
Okay.
The whole machine pressure.
Okay.
But this one. Keep it.
I already know what I'm gonna do.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make some wires, to cover it.
To cover it. Yeah.
To
you're
cover
right.
it, so nobody can
touch it.
touch it because I don't need to change it.
No.
Nobody don't need to change it.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
Okay.
So for this,
Yes.
this. If somebody, in case somebody touch it, it's very difficult to get it back.
Okay.
But this one is for control because before we deliver our block machine, we fix and it's standard pressure, no need touch. And
Okay.
also you can, just like what you said, you can do a box
Yes.
cover all of this because this one it should be very careful.
Yes.
To be very careful to protect.
To protect.
keep it
not
clean.
Not to yes.
To keep it clean, this one, this
Okay.
whole set.
Okay.
Yeah, that's all.
Yes. I think it's better to make a cup for
A cover
for this
sheet.
one. Yes.
No. That's all.
Okay. And I saw something what I want to ask.
Mm.
This one.
This one, is
No, it's okay. You don't.
this one is for fill the hydraulic oil. Fill the hydraulic oil. Normally you just 能看见吗 to fill to the 80.
Okay.
80. You don't 20, 30, 40, 60. You only need to fill to be 80%. 80 is okay.
Okay.
If the oil is lift up, you can see the oil level to be 80. That's all.
Okay.
That's all.
Where is the level?
As a level.
Oh, it's down.
Or is it from down to the up?
Yes. Okay. Okay. I see.
用这好一桶里面，后边。
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Yeah.